You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing currency names. Yes indeed, because this is the official currency of Poland. So how do you say it? Well, in English this is generally said, in all fairness, as zloty, zloty, the Polish zloty. But in Polish this is said as złote, złote, złote. So I guess that's how it should be said, really. It's not hard. Złote, złote. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.